Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna start sewing our sitting area box cushions. I have never done that, so it's gonna be the first time for me. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I hope so because I made one. Wait. I made one experimental piece. It looks kind of nice. Of course, it's gonna be a zipper in here. I didn't put it already because I didn't have it yet, but I think that it's gonna be good. I'm not sure because our fabric is different from which one I had, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do my best. Our sitting area right now looks like this, and we already have our table in. For our box cushions, we decided on this side to make one big cushion. And on this side, we're gonna make two separate cushions because we have our electric system and we want to have easy access to it. This is all pieces for our sitting area bottom cushions. I just use simple kitchen knife for cutting, and the next step is gonna be to put Sintepon on the top layer. To glue Sintepon, I'm just gonna use spray adhesive, spray on the sides of the foam and put it on top. I'm using one piece fabric for each cushion, that's why I use this equation for my calculations. And my principle is to fold it and cut gussets on the corners and later just sew it. And this is all the pieces for our back side. As I'm putting zipper along two sides of our cushion cover, first I'm sewing the gusset in between those two sides, leaving 1 centimeter for the zipper seam. Later, I'm sewing the seam wide to fit the zipper and lay the zipper face down centered on the open seam. Using a zipper foot, I'm sewing the zipper to the seam on both sides. After that, I'm flipping the cover inside out and tear up the first seam to reveal the zipper. Last, I pin and sew the open side of the cushion first and later finish 3 left gussets. This is the final result of our cushions in the sitting area. Of course, it's not perfect. It has some imperfections, like the line is not straight or the cover is a little bit bigger than the foam, but it doesn't bother us. I'm really proud of myself, and I think that anyone with simple sewing machine can do it. Total cost for us is 200 euros. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.